Hi, this is Sumit Goyal, the founder of Vomyra.com, and today in this video I'm going to walk you through how to connect your with Google Sheets. So I am at the dashboard where I can see different assistant, the Hotel Nainital assistant. Now I'm going to connect Hotel Nainital assistant with Google Save and to save the data of things that I receive on Hotel Nainital. So I will click on the integration section. At the bottom, I can see a Google Sheets tab. I first need to get the headers from the Google Sheet I need to connect to. For that, I will click on Connect to Google Sheets. I will get this authentication screen. I will click on Connect Google Sheet and it will take you to my Google account. I will select my Google account using which I need to authenticate Google. I'm selecting my personal account here. As soon as I select, it will ask me for permission. Make sure I check all these permissions. You check these permissions before allowing. I'm allowing these permissions. As soon as I allowed, it has shown me a successful authentication message, and I can see the list of sheets that are there in my account. I'm connecting to one of the sheets, which is Hotel Nainital. I have specifically created for that. From here, I will click on the sheet that I wanted to connect. Then I can see the headers. I can simply copy paste these headers and let me go back and update the headers first. I am updating the right data that I wanted to give to the assistant. Assistant will have access to only these data. If you think you need not wanted to give access to this data, you can remove any column from a Google Sheet and then give the updated headers. I will click on update. Once these headers are updated, I will again click on connect to Google Sheet. I will click on Hotel Nainital workbook. I will select the sheet 1, which is the primary source to which I connect to. Then I will click on connect to sheet 1 and I will get a successful connected message and I can see the sheet name here, the workbook name also here. Now I will quickly show you that sheet which I am connected to, right? You can see this is the sheet I am connected to. Now I will quickly make a phone call to my agent, and before that let me check if I am connected to the right agent. So I'm going to make a call now.
Hello. Thank you for calling Hotel India Nainital. I am Rehan, your virtual assistant. How can I help you today?
Hi Rehan, this is Sumit Goyal. I wanted to reserve a room for two people, and my check-in will be tomorrow and check-out will be day after, and we will be two guests. Can you help me with my booking?
Yes, I can help. Sumit, just to confirm, your check-in is tomorrow and check-out is the day after. Let me check the available room options for you. For two guests, our most affordable option is the third floor Lakeview standard room at 5,600, room only.
Yes, please reserve
If you
that.
are interested in,
Thank
I
you.
can't make the reservation.
So as soon as I end the call, I can see the data flowing into my Google Sheet here. I will, you can see my name is Sumit Goel, check-in is tomorrow, check-out is day after, number of guests is 2, this is my number, this is the call duration, and I will get a summary, detailed summary as well. This is how we can save the data to the Google Sheet. And as soon as if I wanted to remove any Google Sheet, I can simply click on remove, going to the same assistant. Since there are many in my sheet, I need to navigate to that same assistant in order to remove it. Went to the Nainital assistant. Now I wanted to remove sheet. I can simply click on remove and it will give me a successful remove message. All the headers and every permission is deleted. And now you can see I don't have the headers here and I will again get the connected Google Sheet button. So this is how we can connect our Google Sheet. Hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more such videos of amazing integration of Vomyra voice AI agents with different tools. Thank you.